Mama, can you tell me a story about one of the prophets this day?
Of course, sweetheart. Let me tell you the story of Prophet Nuh, peace be upon him. He was a kind and patient man, and he lived a very, very long time ago.
Was he like Prophet Muhammad?
Yes, in a way. All prophets were sent by Allah to teach people to be good and to worship only Him. But Prophet Nuh's story is very special. It's about a big boat, a flood, and animals too. A long time ago, people had started worshipping statues. They forgot all about Allah, who created them. Prophet Nuh was chosen by Allah to help them. He told them, "Please, stop worshipping these idols. Only Allah can help you." Sadly, most of them didn't. They laughed at him and said,
"You're just a man like us. Why should we listen to you?"
But Nuh didn't give up. He tried to teach them for 950 years. But after all those years, only a small group of people believed in him. So Allah told Nuh no more people will believe. It's time for a big change.
What happened next, Mama?
Allah told Prophet Nuh to build a big boat called an ark. Nuh started building it on dry land, far from any ocean. The people laughed and said,
"Haha, why are you building a boat in the middle of nowhere?"
But Nuh was following Allah's command. When the ark was finished, Allah told him to bring in the believers and 2 of every kind of animal, a boy and a girl of each type. The sky grew dark. It started to rain, and rain. Water came from the sky and the ground. It became a massive flood that covered everything. Only those who believed in Allah were saved. Even one of Nuh's own sons didn't listen. Nuh begged him, "Come on the boat with us." But his son said no, and sadly, he was swept away by the water.
Oh no, that's so sad.
Yes, sweetie, it shows us that believing in Allah is more important than anything, even family ties. After many days, Allah told the earth to soak up the water and the sky to stop raining. The flood was over. The ark landed safely on a mountain called Mount Judy. The believers and the animals were safe. They came out of the ark and started life fresh, with Allah's blessings. So, what do we learn from Prophet Nuh's story?
To believe in Allah and never give up.
That's right, my love. Also, to be patient, kind, and always trust Allah, even when things are hard.